A decade ago, the boxy compact hatchback segment was booming. If you were in the market for a weird but practical box on wheels, you had the Scion XB, Nissan Cube, Kia Soul, and the larger, more SUV-like Honda Element to choose from. Today, only the Soul remains, and due to a mid-cycle refresh for 2023, it loses some of the quirkiness that made the model so charming. Introduced in 2020, the third-generation Kia Soul took the boxy hatch formula and updated it with sharper styling, a simple interior with unique design elements, and a long list of useful standard features. The 2023 Kia Soul builds on that progress in some ways, but sets it back in others. The refreshed Soul loses its distinctive slender headlights in favor of larger, more conventional-looking lamps. The new model also does away with the sporty GT line turbo trim, and with it the Soul's turbocharged 4-cylinder engine option. Despite those changes, the Soul is still a budget-priced small car that offers tremendous value in its feature content and a spacious cabin and cargo area thanks to its boxy design. With its cube-shaped contemporaries now extinct, the Soul competes mostly with subcompact SUVs, including the Chevrolet Trailblazer, Hyundai Kona, and Mazda CX-30. Though the Kia Soul's trim lineup has been reduced, the mid-level EX trim remains our recommendation since it ups the hatchback's comfort factor with premium cloth upholstery and heated seats and still comes in at a reasonable price. Kia Soul models. For 2023, Kia has streamlined the Soul hatchback range to 5 trim levels: LX, S, EX, GT Line, and GT Line Tech. All models are equipped with a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder that makes 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. This engine drives the front wheels. All-wheel drive is not available on the Soul, through a continuously variable transmission, CVT.